Again, a problem set that I'm assuming is going to be the zero product rule. In other words, I'll be able to factor this with my fingers. Let me write this down for you. Oh boy, that's going to be a tough one. I'm going to say 3x and 4x. Well, the 2 on the end cannot go with the 4, so it's got to be here. 2y and 1y. And let's see if that combination works. You get 8 and 3. Yeah, it works beautifully. Minus, minus. Let me just double check it. That's 12x squared. You do get 2y squared in the end. And minus 3 minus 8 is definitely minus 11. So I got 4 combinations. I'm sorry, I have 2 combinations. 3x minus 2y equals 0. And the second equation, 5x minus 3y equals minus 5. The other combination is 4x minus y equals 0. And 7x minus 3y equals minus 5. Again, I'm going to leave it as an exercise. You work to solve this linear system. Super simple to do. It requires some work, not much. This one over here, it requires some work, but not much. Now again, we're providing a graph for you to look at it. All right? So what do I see? I see 3 lines. Was I expecting to see 3 lines? Of course I was expecting to see 3 lines. The first line I want to put down, I'll write it down for you, is 3x equals 2y. This is the line I'm talking about over here. And what's that going to be? It's going to be y equals 3 over 2x. All right? I want to do this one too, by the way. There's a reason I want to do this before identifying what line it is. So what do you get over here? You would get y is equal to 4x. All right? Relatively simple. Now, by the way, this one has bigger slope than that one, but they're both positive slopes. So I got to determine which one it is. And before I do that, I want to take a look at this third line. All right? Now, the third line has a y-intercept. All right? Let me put this one down for you. This is the third line. This is going to be 7x plus 5 equals 3y. I'm going to solve that for y. That will be 7/3 x plus 5/3. So this is perhaps the easiest one to identify. Right? Let me just point out what I mean by that. It's this line right here. Now, how do I know that? It's the y-intercept that gave it away. Immediately, I knew that. The other two have x-intercept at the y-intercept at the origin. Now, I'm going to differentiate between these two. This has the bigger slope. So this one here is the steepest line. So this will be y equals 4x. And this one here is less steep. It's y equals 3/2 of an x. All right? So what am I going to do now? Identify the points. One of the points I want to identify is 1, 4. 1, 4 is right here. The other point I want to identify is going to be the minus 2, minus 3. And that's right over here. Relatively simple to graph, relatively simple to solve. All right? Thank you so much for paying attention, though. Before I go, though, I haven't done it in a while. I want to remind you who I am. My name is Ron Bannon, and you can reach out to me. And my email address is Bannon. That's B as in boy, the @ symbol, NNON.US. If you have something to say about the document, how to improve it, there's an error, whatever, let me know, and I'll take care of it. Thank you so much.